17.
Where are you from? Which city?
Seoul.
Seoul?
Yeah,
Oh.
my hometown.
Oh, I've been in Seoul.
Oh, really?
She's Seoul Korean.
Oh?
My mom is Korean.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Korean.
What are you doing in Kazakhstan? Traveling?
Yeah, traveling, and I'm a YouTuber.
Oh,
Yeah, so I'm making a video.
what do you like the most about Kazakhstan?
Oh, Kazakhstan people is very kind,
Yes.
friendly. So cute.
Yes. 저는 Korea 사랑해요.
저도 카자흐스탄 사랑해요.
Oh, 너무 감사합니다.
진짜요?
Sister studying in Korea, KAIST.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Wow. Okay.
Have fun.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, nice to meet you.
Yeah.
It was really nice to meet you.
하나, 둘, 셋. 1, 2, 3. Have a good day.
Have a good day.
스파시바.
안녕히 계세요.
와, 감사합니다.